Midnight shadows on these broken roads, street lights flicker like they already know. Every face just fades into the smoke, and every smile feels borrowed for the show. I keep talking to the silence now, like maybe it still hears me somehow. Got a heart full of scars I never show, a soul so tired with nowhere left to go. Everybody's running somewhere, but I'm standing still again, trying to find a little meaning in the city full of strangers that pretend. I walk alone through the pouring rain, carrying ghosts and invisible chains. This lonely life keeps calling my name, like a sad harmonica crying in pain. No place feels like home tonight, no star left shining in my sky. Still I keep moving through the cold, even when my heart feels old. Coffee stains and sleepless eyes, another morning with no sunrise. I learned some wounds don't never heal, you just learn how not to feel. People say the storm will pass, but the storm became who I am. Now every memory cuts so deep, like whispers that don't let me sleep. Everybody's chasing something, love, money, dreams, escape, while I'm just searching for a reason not to disappear without a trace. I walk alone through the pouring rain, carrying ghosts and invisible chains. This lonely life keeps calling my name, like a sad harmonica crying in pain. No place feels like home tonight, no star left shining in my sky. Still I keep moving through the cold, even when my heart feels old. Truth feels like when the world gets quiet enough for you to hear your own mind at night. Still I walk through the pouring rain, learning somehow to live with pain. This broken road still calls my name, and that old harmonica sounds the same. No angels waiting in the light, just neon dreams fading from sight. But if tomorrow never comes, at least I sang my sorrow into the night.